Hello guys, this is Aryan, and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about banyan tree. Number 1. The banyan tree is known for its expensive canopy. Number 2. It belongs to the Moraceae family. Number 3. It is found in tropical regions. Number 4. The tree's fruit is small. Number 5. The fruits of the banyan tree are highly nutritious. Number 6. Banyan trees are characterized by their aerial roots. Number 7. The banyan tree is considered sacred in Hinduism as well as Buddhism. Number 8. It has many medicinal properties. Number 9. The national tree of India is the banyan tree. Number 10. It has a long lifespan and can live for several centuries. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.